Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and Harper is with me today, and we are planning on making a gravity feeder for the chickens that will hopefully last, a week, maybe 2 weeks. So let's get to it. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
She's not ready, but we are. So let's get. Alright, super simple plan. I'm sure you've seen these made out of like totes and stuff like that everywhere. My idea is to go with one of these trash cans. This one here is a 32-gallon trash can. So, I mean, it's going to hold quite a bit of feed. I'm guessing 300 pounds, 200 pounds. We'll see. We got a little over 100 pounds of food in there. There's 2 50-pound bags, and I got a little bit of partial for this thing. And the plan is to cut a hole probably on the side here, on these flatter sides, not wrinkled side, and then put this in there. And that's going to be all there is to it. This I'm going to slightly angle so that way more of the feed comes forward. What I'd like to do eventually, if this does seem to work pretty good, is to get some kind of piece of metal or shelving kind of wedge in there that's angled down, so the bottom part kind of feeds it all, funnels it all out towards this part. But for now, I'm just going to have the can slightly tilted this way. And I went with this can, and you can see the lids where it's rounded. I think that's going to work better, make them less likely to jump up there, but I'm sure they'll still perch and poop on top of it. But it'll be all right. So, like I said, we're going to get to it. We're just going to cut a hole in there, stick that in there, stick it on our little platform in the chicken coop, and see how it does over the next couple days. All right. So far, we got our hole cut. You can see I kind of messed up some. I literally ended up I was going to use the Sawzall, but with this thin plastic, it was a lot easier to just use my pocket knife. And I just cut a straight line down, and then across, and then went around to each point. You can see it's not perfect. If you want to dig it out and you got the time, you can get you, I think this is a 4-inch PVC pipe. Get you a 4-inch hose saw and just right through it. I don't feel like digging mine out. So we're going to take our piece here. It's going to go through there. You can see there's some gaps because it ain't perfect. But duct tape. Got duct tape. I'm going to duct tape it on both sides, hold it in place, and go from there. Alright. It's done. And you can see, just duct taped it up. Here's the platform here. I got some bricks it's sitting on, and then some higher bricks, so that way it'll angle it downward. A little off like that. And then put some bricks around, some more bricks around this on the outside. And put the lid on it. So let's fill it up and see how terrible or decent this is. Alright. Well, at first I wasn't very happy with it. Now I am. Look at that. This is a cheap little basket I believe we got at the dollar store. It's red, so they're going to come over here and peck. At least that's what I've heard. They're kind of attracted to the color red. With the brick, just kind of keep holding it in place. So I'm thinking they'll come in, peck at it. It's going to spill out, of course, into here. Still be able to get to just fine. This might have been a little better if it was solid. You can see tore the back corner out, so this is going to be sitting on it, help hold it in place. And then to help hold this in place, see that brick in there, which is going to take up some of our feed capacity room, but still think it's going to hold quite a bit. So got the feed. We're going to start filling this up and see how much it's going to hold. There's one bag of feed. It's almost a third full, but definitely hold 2. And then, see there where it's coming out. And like I said, they'll come over here in the peck. Of course, it's going to pull out. It's just like any other gravity feeder at that point. So, let's get the second bag and see where it's going to sit. There we go. We got the 2 bags in there and about 10 pounds, I'd say, of another bag. I think we're ready to go. with that little blockage thing there and let them come on in. And I don't know if I'll be able to catch them feeding on it, but we'll see. But yeah, everything looks like it should work just fine. Here's their top. So that's gonna keep them out of there, so they ain't gonna be pooping in the top there. They also got all that food over there to finish off. But like I said, I like the way it looks. Should do pretty good. So now we got our water automated, our food, well, not really automated, but pretty much a very large gravity fed system there. The door is automated. So we're gonna do, come get the chickens, or come get the eggs. Yeah, not the chickens. Alright, well, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoy. Hope it'll give you an idea of how to make a quick and simple, easy gravity feeder for your chickens. It's going to last you quite a while. And I really got this idea from a deer feeder that I've seen. So, alright, I hope you like it. Like, share, subscribe if you want. And we'll be back with more stuff like this and more updates. Have a great one.